how to reorder a personal checkbook on BMO app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to reorder a personal checkbook using a BMO digital banking app, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you want to sign into your Bank of Montreal. First thing first, make sure that you already have an online banking account. After which, you want to go to the account or select the particular account, such as checking or savings account, for which you need a new checks. As you've done that, you want to look for an option labeled account service or account details or service request. Underneath, you want to select order check or pre-order check. When you select that option, you need to follow the prompt or on-screen instructions which will connect you to the third-party printer, or often the Harland Clarke, and to select the design and verify the shipping information as well. And that's how you can reorder personal checkbook on BMO app. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.